Hello friends, hope you are doing well, and today we will discuss a most important DAX functions. This DAX function is basically used in all the reports, I think so. The name of this DAX function is format. Basically format, what formats do, format converts a value to text in the specified number. Means it converts date column to individual month, year, and day formats. It can convert the output in the form of text and numerical. You can use both the output as per your requirement. So without wasting time, let's go to our data view. We have a multiple tables here. So I calculated date column here. I create this date column with the help of my existing date table. As you can see that I have written calendar DAX function here and use first date and last date for this. So you can see that we have a multiple month, day, and 2 years of data. So let's start our format function. Create new column. Firstly, we will explore month name. Okay, type format, and you can see that format is comes under our list. Click tab, and you can see that we have to add a value here. So value is nothing, our date column. Type date, scroll down, up, sorry, and select date. After that, type comma and start double inverted commas. As you see that we are extracting month name from this date column. So we just type m four times m, close the double inverted commas, and then enter. So you can see here we extracted all the month name from here. So you can see that 13th of June 2022 have June month, and like that here you can see that there is a month of July. So you can see that we have extracted all the month name here. Okay, so as you see that there is a it is showing all words in a month, like November. There is not a short term short words of the month. So if you want to see that, like if you like November, you want only NOV. So what you can do, you just decrease 1 m and then click enter. So you can see that we can get month name in a short text. AUG, DEC. We get DEC in replace of December. Okay, so you can choose as per your requirement. And one more option, if we reduce 1 m, then let's see what happen here. So it will give a numerical value. Okay, so you can see that we extracted all the month name in numerical format. Like 13th of June is 6th of month. So you can see that we extracted all the month name in a numerical format. Okay, and if you reduce 1 m, then it will give only one values. Earlier you see that in 6 there is shown 06. So it will reduce one numerical values as well. Okay, so let's type 3m as well. And after that this is all about month name, how we can extract month name from the date column. So I am again creating a new column. This time we extract day. Okay, for this type format and value, add date, and then start double inverted commas and type dd four times. Click enter. You can see that you extracted all the days name, and the days name are on full text digit, Like Thursday, you can get all the values of Thursday. If you reduce 1D, then I am reducing 1D, and you can get the name in short term, like Thursday THU, Friday FRI, so as per requirement. And if you reduce 1D, then you will get the numerical values of day. 13th of June, the day is 30. 1st of July, the day is 01. Date is 01. If you reduce 1D, so you reduce this numerical form in one form, like 01 is called 1 only. Let's see. So here it is. You reduce one numerical values as well. Okay, so this all about day. I'm again typing 3D. You can use as per your requirement. So we'll explore year format as well. So I'm creating a new column and I'm giving the name year. Okay, click type format, in value add date, comma, start double inverted commas, and this time we will type 4 times y. So we will get all the years value by the use of this y 4 times y. So you can get, we have a two year values here. Okay, if you reduce one y, so I think it will not give any required values to us that we can use, so it will give this type of value, so it is not no longer usable for us. I think if you reduce one y, so it will give the value of last two digit of the year. Okay, 22 and 23, so you can use according to your requirement. If you reduce one y, then it will give some different values, so I think it is not usable for us and you as well. So this all about format functions. I'm again typing 3y here. So guys, I know you like my videos of format DAX function. If you like the video, please like video and subscribe my channel for these useful videos of DAX functions. Okay, thank you so much.